Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Screaming Frog exports to Google Data Studio step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your Screaming Frog application. Launch Screaming Frog and set up your crawl. Once the crawl is complete, go to the Export tab. Select the data you want to export. After selecting your data, click on the Export button. Choose a location on your computer to save the export file. Make sure to save it in a CSV format. Next, open Google Data Studio in a new tab. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. In Google Data Studio, click on Create in the upper left corner. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and choose the Google Sheets connector. You'll be prompted to select a Google Sheets file. Click on New Spreadsheet to create a new Google Sheet. Give your new spreadsheet a name and click Create. Now, go back to your Screaming Frog export file. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Google Sheets. Copy the relevant data from the CSV file. Paste that data into your new Google Sheet. Ensure that the data is properly formatted in the Google Sheet. Once the data is in place, go back to Google Data Studio. Select your newly created Google Sheet as the data source. Finalize your data source settings in Google Data Studio. You can now create reports and visualizations using the Screaming Frog data. Adjust your charts and tables as needed for better clarity. Save your report to access it later. Your Screaming Frog exports are now authorized for use in Google Data Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.